wawashinde, ndio msiringe sana. Mtakubali kushindwa? Mimi wakishinda bado nitakuwa nimeshinda, but nyinyi mtakuwa mmefanya nini? Mmeshindwa. So among the best girls in the sub-county, 8 came from this school. Tuwapigie makofi. Where the leading is 418. Hata jina mlisema ni Michelle. Tunaona iko hapa. Michelle. Hongera sana. Ako wapi? Kuja nikuguze baraka yangu hata kama I'm not very young as I look. Soon I'm becoming a grandparent. Hongera sana. Si hata tunaonekana ni kama ni sisters. Thank you, thank you. Work hard, make your parents proud. She looks like my eldest daughter, by the way. Nitawapea picha yake wazazi wa huyu. There is something in common. Then the performance in boys, top 10 boys. 8 also came from this school. That is very, very good performance. So you exceeded expectations the CBC way. You exceeded expectations, and we are very, very proud of you. And I want to imagine that this is attributed to the leadership that I've seen in this school. The leadership in the school. Bwana Tom, hongera sana. Kama haungekuwa umenyooka vile umenyooka hivyo, sidhani kama tungekuwa hapa tunasherekea. Keep up with that. You have a clear focus on where you want to take this school, and we are here to support you. I also want to say that there is a name. I don't know if you've seen a new name in this school. Have you seen any new name in this school? Yes. Which is that name? Junior Secondary School. I'm also proud to be associated with that name. I worked very hard to ensure that that school gets that name. And you are allowed to get students from the other schools to come and learn here. This is a good school, and I'm sure you're going to get very many numbers. Your enrollment is going to be more than 700. We hope for 1,000 in the next 2 years. Na hakuna kulala. Then this school, in terms of CBC, so the grade 7, 8, and 9 will be learning here. I don't know how prepared the school is in terms of teachers, but I heard from the chairman that they have teachers who are already trained. And this content in the junior secondary is going to be secondary content. So I'm hoping that the teachers are equal to the task. Because if you not have competent teachers, we will come and close it. We will not allow you to do it, or to have the CBC, the junior secondary, in the school. But I believe the way I'm seeing him, he's set. He has done labs, he has computer labs, which is very good. Because after the junior secondary, the boys and girls who will be learning here will be prepared for senior secondary, where they're going to learn the various pathways. So it's from junior secondary where those boys and girls will learn their area of speciality, whether arts and sports, whether the social sciences, or the STEM that Madam talked about. So the background of junior secondary is very, very key for us to proceed to senior secondary and achieve as a government. So a lot needs to be put in place, not only the teachers, but in terms of infrastructure. But I'm happy to note that this school has qualified. So we are hoping for the best in the years to come. But the junior secondary is beginning very, very soon. Very, very soon. Do you know when? Do you know when? Oh, you don't know? Our schools open. Wale watoto walikuwa grade 6. So wanaingia grade 7. That is the junior secondary. Any other changes? Any other changes, maybe in terms of uniform, you'll be updated by the government. I want to thank you so much. Who was timing me? Nobody. But I'm sure I've not taken more than the time I said. I want to appreciate everybody, the directors of this school. I hope you've also learned the success stories of people. Success does not just come. You have to work for it. Resilience. Ikifikia mahali umesucceed, utakuwa umeanguka 101 times. Na kama utakuwa ni mtu wa kugive up, utakuwa kama Tom hapa kweli? And lastly, but not least, God is above all. I was very happy when I saw the Lord's Prayer. Sijui kama mumeona hiyo Lord's Prayer hapo. This is very, very important. Hata wakati tulianza na Lord's Prayer, nilikuwa nasoma pale kwa sababu siijui. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, my director. I really appreciate your office, and I know for sure you have helped us a lot. And it's true that the junior secondary, it is our work. It's because of what she did to us, and she made sure that she gave us the right instructions, and we fulfilled that, and then we got it. Because of time and kwa sababu tuko na mgeni mheshimiwa hapa, my senator from Nyamira. Mnamjua? Mnamjua vile anaitwa? Yes. The senior council we have from Guzi. Eh?
Kongo mgeni.
Ani Momo Manyeti. Okay. At this point, let me take a privilege and a pleasure to invite my senator, my friend, who I've known for a while now. I knew him before, way before he became a senator. As much as he has been he's a second-term senator, I knew him before, and he has never changed. We are always together, and we good together. Thank you very much. At this point, let me welcome our senator. Thank you. Thank you.
Uza. Aye. Uno musachu miriti njoko kwa yana bunipa kwaso. Kongolero musikale mpesa tumaidi kigusi.
Asante sana bwana Celebrity Mombinya. Wanafunzi nafikiri ndio waheshimiwa wetu, director wa shule Tom, director wetu education Christine, na wazazi, hamjambo. Tusalimiane hivi kwa jina la Yesu. Bwana asifiwe. Bwana asifiwe tena. Asante sana. Kwanza director Tom aliponialika nije hapa, hakuniambia kwamba dress code ilikuwa mtu awe na tai na shati. Sasa Tom umeniharibia sifa na jina, kwa sababu nimekuja kwa sherehe kubwa bila tai na suit. Sasa fine sindamtoa yeye. Unajua sisi wakili ukinialika usiposema dress code mimi nakuja tu hivi hivi. So uko na deni sasa utalipa mimi kwa kunialika nije bila suit. Lakini nina furaha. Mimi vile mmeambiwa ni Senator wa Nyamira Okongo Mogeni. Kwa hivyo mimi nimetembea katika kaunti ya Kisii kama mgeni na niko na furaha sana kutembea katika hii shule ya Maxwell. Nilipokuwa natoka Nyamira nilipewa salamu niwaletee. Mnazipokea? Mnapokea salamu ya watu wa Nyamira? Asante sana. Pili, nataka nitoe kongole na shukrani kubwa kwa wakubwa wa shule wakiongozwa na Tom kwa kufanya kazi ya ziada ambaye imetoa matunda bora sana kwa wanafunzi na kwa wazazi, kwa sababu ya wale wanafunzi ambao ulikuwa nao kadiri wanafunzi ni 44 wa mwisho alipata 347. Sio ni kazi mzuri? Na pia mko na yule ambaye ndiye shujaa ambaye alipata 421. Hongera sana. Hongera sana, na mimi nawatakia kila la heri vile mnapoendelea mbele. Tunawaombea msome kwa bidii na muweze kutupatia matokeo bora vile mmefanya katika darasa la 8. Wazazi mnawaombea watoto? Mnawaombea kabisa? Mnawaombea kabisa? Na nyinyi wanafunzi mtaendelea kufanya bidii, kwa sababu unajua hii mtihani mmefanya ni ya primary, kule mbele bado mko na kazi. Si mnajua hiyo? Sasa mnaenda kukutana na mashujaa wengine ambao wamepita kama nyinyi. Kwa hivyo mimi nawasihi mkienda katika shule ya upili muendelee kufanya bidii, na pia muwe na watoto wenye nidhamu, kwa sababu bila kuwa na nidhamu huwezi kufaulu kwa elimu yako na pia kwa maisha. Kwa hivyo sisi tunawapatia kongole na tunawaahidi kwamba sisi kama viongozi tunapenda elimu na tutafanya ile kidogo tunaweza kusaidiana nanyi. Kutoka kwa serikali yetu kuu, kwa sababu nimeona wanafunzi wa shule hii ya Maxwell wa private school wamefanya vyema sana, na ni matumaini yao kwamba wapewe nafasi waende shule nzuri. Ama namna gani wazazi? Kwa hivyo tunaomba serikali isiwafanyie ubaguzi ama discrimination hawa wanafunzi ambao wako katika shule ya private. Tunaomba kwamba wakati tunafanya selection ya kuenda shule za upili, hawa wanafunzi ambao pia wamefanya bidii katika private schools pia wapewe nafasi waweze kufanyiwa selection ya kuingia national schools. Wazazi mnakubali hapo? Wapewe nafasi ya kuingia national schools. Na wale ambao wametoka familia ambao tuseme kifedha wako na udhaifu kidogo, nataka niwahakikishie kwamba ile sheria ya CDF ambayo ilikuwa imeleta utata kidogo kutoka mahakama juu, sisi kama wabunge tulitatua utata huo, na sasa pesa zimekuja, ziko na wajumbe kwa constituency. Kwa hivyo yetu ni kuomba wajumbe wetu, our members of parliament, wanapo fanya selection ya wale watoto ambao watapata bursary, waangalie wale ambao wametoka jamii ambazo hazijiwezi, those who are not from well to do families. That's why we have bursary. Na nimeona waziri kutoka county, pia county muko pesa from the Senate, tumewatumia pesa pia ya kusaidia wale hawajiwezi, bursaries. So tunaomba pia mnapofanya selection tafadhali saidia wale wanafunzi ambao wametoka katika familia dhaifu ambao hawajiwezi kifedha. Mwisho mimi niko na huzuni sana na nasemaje Kiswahili, nasikitika sana kwa udhoefu wa hali ya security katika sehemu yetu ya Gusii in general. Kule Nyamira, mwalimu wetu mkuu wa shule ya Rangenyo miezi miwili iliyopita alichinjwa na wakora. Alichinjwa kama mnyama. Up to today hatujaona kwamba ule mkono mrefu wa serikali imeweza kushika wale ambao walihusika na kitendo hichi. Last vile mliona kwa vyombo vya habari, tena kilomita 1 kutoka hiyo shule pale Kcpe, mwalimu mkuu mwingine ambaye ni ndugu ya manager wetu wa Kcpe pia alichinjwa, mpaka mguu inakatwa inapatikana kando. Hiyo vitendo sisi kama jamii ya Gusii inatuhuzunisha sana. Leo nimesikia kutoka Nyamache. Nyamache iko wapi? Kutoka hapa nyuma. Pia nimeona watoto wawili wamekatakatwa, wamechinjwa, wamerushwa kwenye shambani huko. Kuna mtoto mwingine niliona kutoka Kitutu Chache. Simuliona hiyo kisa? Naye alifanywa vitendo vya kiunyama, hata macho ikaondolewa. So tunaomba serikali yetu ihakikishe kwamba mambo ya security, mambo ya usalama, hatutaki tukue kama Mexico ambao hakuna sheria. Sisi tulifundishwa sheria kwamba mtu akifanya kitendo ya uhalifu, kuhakikisha kwamba wengine hawata kuwa na tamaa ya kufanya uhalifu, huyo mtu anasakwa, anashikwa, anapelekwa mahakama, anafungwa. Ama namna gani? Kwa hivyo sababu usipokuwa na sheria ambayo inachukua hatua kwa wale wahalifu, kila mtu ataogopa kijijini. Tutakuwa na shughuli za kila siku hapa. Walimu wetu hapa ambao wanatufanyia kazi mzuri wataogopa. Kwa hivyo tunaomba serikali yetu, tafadhali Profesa Kindiki, angalia maneno ya usalama katika region yote ya Gusii. So director, sasa vile hao walimu walifanya kazi mzuri, mimi ningetaka kutoa kitu kidogo kwako, uone vile utaangalia walimu, aidha wafanyie kapati kidogo ama retreat, tuwapatie motivation au namna gani? Tuwapatie motivation kwa ile kazi nzuri ambaye wamefanya. Walimu mupo ama mupo? Mupo? Hata kama nimetoka huko kaunti ya Nyamira, nikifika Kisii hata mimi ni senior council wa Gusii yote. Tali bayo? Igongo kutigera ndege ntoga igabona iga. Anaiwene yake ngiwa ko Kcpe. Yake Kcpe ko yakiabe ko nsemo. Igona nje kiana ngo kutigera ndege iga dharani. Alafu olenga kioko lenda balimu hapo. Ngolese ke Gusii ando minto na igule bya kotarese county yetu ya Gusii. Na ndengo basabanga bana toka ndego chimutwa. Ejamio mo Gusii tokolega asie sobomo. Tobe amo. Njirana rire umugati oyo ko na chukuru yoraria abantu bali baramo no bakare konyole bintu. Na bono na arigererie county ekoru Kilifi no beka jikuretebe na Kwale. Chukura jiriche agere to mheshimiwa Ruto ne echeito chire chinyingi. Lakini ese ngenjo bako mojiko kororekana na bakwe kama bakwane ruga yemo omo speaker itobwe senate na arwe tararia Kilifi. Mheshimiwa Korokwaisha Juma na arwe tararia Kilifi. paka toira nechinga kichiri chia kale iri twale chama una bagusi twaterengere yemo mayo mogakororio nyacha bona ntunto liba mura moroje ntoko bata yesto ko chicho twagendamo osaba nanga kimotake na botogo chama bona wetangulo ko banga bantu kurubungo matatarangikera tali sini akanso bunanje jene sini akanso osaba aseigo nko basaba abantu baito bagusi bona bakatoboke nali abantu baroboye bamanye ng'abagusi ko barangiraniri ko bagukwane lugeye neba ngana abagusi be county ya Kcpe neba n'abagusi bali se county ya Nyamira nabali bakamenyete diaspora muneso mugabano inokonyali Nairobi noyo ndi nali nakurukoro ku arama igonda itoko basaba nga kotokaenda mutua tokwane lugeye nabona tokunya gukwana ng'ekero gogiito twagatwarire biro byo PS engaki yentoranya barakero gyo PS igekero gegekero kwe ekyo solicitor general na boto bento kwane buna bagusinge kero gigecharalia geche gusi ekiara gesitwa kanyalo to bosibole ntwanya konyora kwenyora bune se twenyorire bona ase tutabwati mo permanent secretary noyo na giri genege ndukiabere getanga ni koruge sege Kenya yakanyorete obosibole ase igo to iwane ngabune gesakyo mo gusi ndobone te tobelio libo elimo twakwane ruge yemo kogenda guchumutwa ase igo tigankolera yo director
Akiroboke chinkobi akiugonkora piseneta muroja soboke bole wa
omwana ona indira twetogera timombinya celebrity ya itoko Nyamira mbuya muroja gotera na indi Nyamira ndo bari celebrity
baitu gaki
number 2
bagoteba angekende omubuko nuri natangete koragaya tegerororo
aya amotoko mukwani toma ikende aya na director oyo Tom nera na aruete se county ya Nyamira aruete constituency ya Gitutu Magombo no musani one wa motuka mange korunonya taracha korosie skuru ga korunali iskalia no musani ono moneno lenge yanacha igesenge njoni maitenga nanje techisebe maitenje ndikorosi basani bali hivi wakanda wake durubini lakini oyo ni mwagete wake X-ray maitenga no monto muya monto bwa magendero tata konyera abantu monto kotokonyera abantu atire tutagete igonjira monta itekonya ko associated na no musani we director ya Maxwell ekotoka nyara abana baito kiara abana baito no bakuru Nyamira abandi barua abandi baru outside the Gusii region. So thank you for the good work you are doing, and nimetoa for those teachers nimekuachia 50,000.
Aye kai okongo kiki gukora amanya uri gurugyati kubona likondo lyomobe abari mu iririata buja kora imukabona muri torakero mu mugambi turi kongo minto kongo tata aye tata baterabu okongo buyore gaki moiririate baba moiririate okongo ngaiwaja okongo buyore aye tata uranjo morembe egwatari enzenge iriata ngina abari mu baito omukorateka omubuyore ekeyenirero baba igesongo kukwanikira nusi amaino nyasaulu urikiriato enda moikarante baba enda moikarante okomubuyore baito kuratiria bunenge konde ndali nyasaulu guruga kindende ndende nyasaulu gurige ndikechieto aye nyasaulu iguru akak thank you so much kiukura matata sana takiati kuna likondo lyo mobendo ano musajo Sacha 144. Uza.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you very much, my senator. It shows that our friendship is not by just a word of mouth, is actually action. And for sure, let me tell you, and I apologize, because I gave you a very short notice. It's because I know always you pick up my phone calls. So, by the fact that you pick up my phone calls always, I think I relaxed too much. I gave you a very short notice, but I'm glad and I'm humbled that you made it here. And for the teachers, we'll take care of them as you have given, and also those ones who have given their contribution towards my wonderful staff. For sure, we'll take care of that. Before we close, we have some prizes for those top 10, top 11, I think. The ones who had over 400, and also for the teachers who did so wonderful, those ones who got the A's, they're over 80. Each is drawing 1,000. Some of them have already drawn the checks, and some of them are going to get them today. Can I see the hand of Mr. Pio, the leading? Where's Mr. Pio? Clap for Mr. Pio, please, as he comes. Come on over here. Mr. Pio Mathematics, he got 37 A's. So he has been rewarded 37,000. Also, he was a science teacher, and he managed to get over the 2 pupils over 80 because of moderation. Unfortunately for him, there were so many over 79, 78, 77, but the deal is a deal. It was over 80, 80 and above. So he managed to get it two of them, right? So the total check for Mr. Pio, the one already in the account, is 39,000. Mr. Pio is, Senator, this teacher here, literally, everybody got an A, but some of them got an A minor. But those who got A straight, they were 37 out of 44. So you can clap for him again. Thank you very much, Mr. Malim. Thank you. The 39,000 is already in the account. Another person, the social studies teacher, Mr. John Paul. Can you all rise? Mr. Pio, come here. They are going to appreciate you. The parents are going to appreciate you. Come over here. I've already appreciated us. The management that we have already appreciated them. Now it will be the responsibility of the parents and the guests to appreciate them in their own way. However, he has been given the 39,000. That is not worthy of the nice work he did. The next person here is teacher John Paul. He also teaches social studies and the theory. He managed to get 80 and above. How many pupils? 10. So he has 10,000 also. Next teacher, Wycliffe. How many A's were there in Kiswahili? Come on, this way. He's a teacher who took over from, there was a previous teacher, but the TSC took him, and we managed to work with him towards the last minute, and he helped us a lot, Mr. Wycliffe. Already we have 4 over 80, so he had 4,000 in the pocket. Now there is one which was so jumbled because Mr. Malim had it to juggle up because he was sent to another station. However, we didn't disclose so early because we didn't want any panic. He was taken by TSC. Mr. Mtai, you can come over. Mr. Mtai left, but he jumbled up. You can clap for him also. We had 20 over 80 pupils, so 20,000. And they are not 5 because Mr. Pio is 2. is 2 teachers. That's the reason. Unfortunately, we don't, Madam Kcpe, say gender sensitivity, but it just happened. We don't know how it happened, but let me tell you, we had some backup for the teachers who were helping these gentlemen here. Where's the ones who were marking the inches, the compositions? Can you all rise? The madams. The teachers who are also the backup. Come this way. There's one who is hiding because of one reason or another, because the director is here, but I think he can be brave enough to come this way, because he was coming, just helping party time. He's also your teacher. As much as she has another station, but she was coming here weekends and help with the languages. So these are the backup we had. So class 8 is not the issue of class 8 or class 7. Always in Maxwell, we've been having, there's one who is not here. Come on, Mwalimu, come this way. Kiswahili. We always have backup in Maxwell. We call them substitute teachers, but they are always around and they help us. This is Kiswahili also. So you can tell for sure the subjects in class 8, they were only, how many? There are only 5, but there are 6 because here is there. But how many teachers do we have? There are 8. So you can tell for sure that class 8 is not always that it's only handled by 5 teachers. It never works. For us, we find a way that we make sure that we have plan P, because like Mr. Mtai, when Mr. Mtai had to have another station because of TSC rules, like he was hired, still we had a backup of some serious madams here who were helping out when he was not there. When Kiswahili was hired, still, we had a serious backup still, that as soon as they got absorbed, we didn't start crying around. We had a backup immediately. Even parents didn't even realize. Even our wonderful pupils, the transition was very smooth, and we didn't get like, now we have been left, now what do we need to do? So these are the teachers who made it possible by the grace of God. Mnasema namna gani? Sasa, these are the teachers. Now, it is you. Mumbinya, weka rekodi kidogo. If you want, it is a time to appreciate you, the teachers in front of me here. So, do your thing, parents. Yes, you can hold a little bit, but the parents, do your thing.
Kcpe on these ladies and gentlemen.
Check. Abaiboli. Nyasa uru imoka mwa. Check.
The parents, little quick.
Babekere gitasa ansabu. Ubaka namu mwezi.
Anybody want to appreciate the teachers? If you don't want to appreciate one, you can always bring the another over here so that they can all share. But if you feel strongly that there's one who touched your child, who has done an exemplary job, you can as well just give it straight to him or her. Meanwhile, I stay passing on the envelopes. I will request all those mattresses, Mr. Chairman, come on this way. As per the tradition of Maxwell, after we have appreciated the teachers who made it possible with the A's and whatever they have done, we always take care of, as per the tradition, the ones who get over 400. It's not that they are the only ones who pass. No. In Maxwell, everybody passed. But in one way or another, because at one point we started with this tradition, we said by then the 400s was not easy because we were new. So we started with that tradition like, hey, get the 400, then you get something like this. But now, chances are very high that we might even change the tradition because everybody in Maxwell does well. So next time we might not even consider the 400, but we consider everybody who has done from Maxwell, we reward them. Ama niache wasasi. Mmesema lakini sasa reward the teachers also. So now let me have some teachers go get the rewards. And the parents, if you know your child got over 400, come this way, please. We do it quick because everybody's tired. The parents, you can rise. For those, the kids who got over 400, 400 and above, come this way. The kids who got over 400, come this way. Come quick, come quick. The parents, please. From the first one here, 421 here, 421 here, 418. I will request our guest, the director of education, if possible, to rise also to come this way, please, to help us. The two directors, Nyaboterere and Nyarango, if you are around. Dr. Side, if you are around, come this way, you reward our pupils. The parents, you get your child here, you move that way. The first one, Osike, where are the parents? All right. Where is the dad? I'll tell for sure, Senator, and some of the people don't know. This is one of the kids who didn't have any school fees. Didn't have any school fees. And, but I realized that he's a sharp kid. I said, guess what? Let me take care of him. Mapato yao sio ya juu. From grade 7, for 2 years, I took care of him. So, and I know for sure this is one of the best to my diaspora team. And if you know for sure anybody who can help us with this kid, this is the best president. I don't want him to go to any other school other than the one he will be selected. And I'm afraid that the parents might not, but I don't know how prepared they are, but I've heard from the sides that they might not be able. And at the same time, I'm praying that he gets all this. Yeah, you can go there from my chairman. He'll get you a mattress. So you are not going to what do you want? Just a little. You are done. The next one is, in fact, this is the one we started with. This is the one we started with. The one that's saying about 53, one of them. So we are way much proud. First one, and he's a secondary teacher when we had that response. So that is wonderful, and we appreciate you, Michelle. They say the sky is not the limit. Okay? And Madam, I think Mwalimu no. I think I will let the director give, because Madam Chenda, Madam said, I would like Madam Director to come near, and they had some chemistry. They had some chemistry, so Michelle, you can march forward with your parents so that that chemistry should continue. Don't let the director down. Make sure when you go to high school, you get an A straight. Yes. Because he did so well, the 416 went to the next one. This is one of the care. Those people could have slept. The two. When they are sleeping, it was the one who was whooping them actually. So it's like, and I always call me to my office, even as order. Am I lying?
No, you're not lying.
I give it this young man like, even Nakali is whooping you. Michelle is whooping you, you whoop her. If Osike is not comfortable, just whoop them. And they did it. And I'm glad that he's here today. And he's caught so well. Thank you very much. You can march forward and get your mattress. Thank you, madams. The next one. 47. These are not 410. I'm sorry. 410. She came from far. This is one of the pupils that we were pushing and pushing because we saw our potential. But when she came in, she was a little timid and she was scared about the top ones. But after some time, she did it. Thank you very much. March forward for 10. The next one. This is the 4-9. Came from a public school, of course, which is very good. They had a good foundation. The only thing we did is fine-tuning. And he has made the mama proud and the entire family. Shojo Sarigo, move forward, get your present. The next one. This young man, I think he was the shortest in the class, you can tell for sure. But he did wonders. This is among the pupils I was pretty much using to disorganize the ones who were thinking that they are doing good. You know, in our class, I knew that some kids become too comfortable. When they are like, I'm position one all the time. There he came, very handy. I used to call him to the office also. I tell him, you know what? The next exam, what I want you to do is whoop so and so. Whoop him. And after that, come to my office. I will give you biscuit. Did you eat the biscuit?
Yes.
Yes. I call him separate. I give them biscuit. I tell them, you know what? That one is your target this time. And he made us proud. How much did you score?
409.
409. Give him a coffee, this young man. Move forward. Next one. Where is the parent? This one here came courtesy of, after the very first exam we did, she was the invigilator and she was coming here. That's when we knew one another. And the way she saw our kids who were doing mathematics, I think the mathematics is what impressed them more. Then she said, she's a teacher. She said, that school is serious. And she came here all the time. I used to call her to the office, talk to her, encourage her, and tell her that wherever the boys can do, now this is the classic example. I was now I was following your lines. What the boys can do, you can do better. Those boys, just group them. Leave around Michelle, just group those 2 boys, 3 boys. And she made us proud. What did you score?
403.
No, wait, 3. Have you heard that? One of us saw Maxwell. Thank you very much. Move forward, get your mattress. The next one. Where is the parent? This is all the way from Mombasa. These are the friends. They trusted us. And it's not that in Mombasa there were no schools. They traveled all the way. They said, okay, we want to support you. And there's another cousin who left here last year with 370. In fact, when we were working on, she was pushing so hard for the 400. I said, madam, don't push so hard. Because given that she's a friend, I didn't want to disappoint her. I told her, tukienda sana, look at the 380, 390. Usisukume sana. But this boy did wonders, and she scored exactly what, let me tell you parents. This mouth, the tongue, is a very strong thing. Whatever you profess by tongue is going to happen. The mama said, I don't want anything else. I want to hear 4. I said, 4 what? No, I don't care what kind of 4, but I want 4, even if it means 4,000. So long as 4 is there. But guess what? They managed, the boy is here. What did he score?
402.
402. The mama wanted the 400.
And my promise will remain the promise. Mr. JP, Mr. Opio, I promise you a suit. At the end of this month, I will hit your box. Mr. JP and Mr. Mtai, I will hit your box.
So, Mr. Chonpo, where are you? Raise up your hand. You got a suit. Mr. Opio, a suit. Mutai, a suit. Thank you. List. How many matches do we have? are supposed to be 11. Where's the other mattress? Okay, that's okay. Yeah. Thank you very much. Another with us since we started. These kids, these are some of the parents who moved their pupils from, they were big schools, giant schools, and they brought those pupils here. The daughter was a pioneer, right? And she scored 3. Where's that one? Nyarangi. Where's Nyarangi? Nyaranga, you here? Come here. The firstborn of this gentleman here, they brought the kids when we were way, like, not known. But because of the trust they had, come here this way. These are some of our pioneers who did Kcpe, the first round, 2018. Say your name, what you scored, and where you are, and what you are scoring now. Oh, you did KCSE? Okay. Say your name and what you scored from Maxwell.
My name is Helen. I scored 355. I joined Keredi Girls High School and I did my KCSE.
Monkey, you got what?
I scored a B plane.
You got a B plane. You see, Maxwell. So this is the first born, this is the second born. They trusted, and there is another third born. They are all here. Certificates, they are all to read Maxwell, 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 which is good. Clap for the parents, please. You can go over there. And also, he has been a very supportive parent in this school. Thank you. Yeah, come this way. Thank you. Last but not least, and because it's called 400, this is one of our own also. The boy has been working so hard. In fact, he was among the people that we wanted to score way more. That as fate has it, is called 400. But doesn't matter. We want an A now from KCSE. When they were coming this way, I think there was a mix-up in the matatu when we went to get the mattresses. Yours, the chairman, immediately after this, the chairman is going to take care of you. And this is one of the pupils who is going to go to already, isn't it? Already, you know, Stare Boys, that's their selection a little earlier. This is the one who is going to go to Stare Boys. Yeah, so take care of that. Yeah, take care of it right now so that it doesn't. All right. Thank you very much. Take a picture there. Yes. Thank you. I'll go back to the chairman, and I know for sure the parents, if you are ready. Oh, you have received already. Okay. If we are done with the teachers, you can all sit down. Anybody want to see you later can see you. Opio. Yeah. Thank you. At this point, I will, after my chairman, we thank you for your patience. We thank you for everything. After we pray, we are going to give you the lineup, or we are going to go back there to get something to bite. And please, I ask you kindly, the food, we have plenty of food. We don't want the people who are standing there, the people who are at the gate, to be the first ones to go there. Those people up there, you wait. We are going to have an orderly fashion because there's enough food. An orderly fashion that we are going to start from here. You line up there, you get the food, we finish from here. Then we go, that tent, the one standing behind there and around the gate, you have to wait. Are we together? So you have to wait. You have been very patient. The food is enough. There's no way you will miss. And finally, you know, in any institution, there are some people who are very services which are very vital. And without those people, you might have a blackout at any time. People from Kenya Power Lighting Company, they are our wonderful friends. They were late, but I would like them to stand, come this way. My director, my senator, you know, these people for Kenya Power, we have to have them. You saw the people from security, they came. And also, we have a very wonderful relationship with Kenya Power. Most people, you don't have that relationship with Kenya Power. You fear them. But in Maxwell, they are our wonderful friends because we pay. And anytime we have a blackout, I have numbers. I call straight to them. I say, hey, in Maxwell, we don't have power. Why? Then they make their team. And Madam Director, now Kenya Power is very well because you can see the lineup. I think I'll go straight to one of them and maybe introduce the rest in a quick fashion. Then we finish from there.
Happy New Year. My name is Beatrice Kerage. This is my family. I work with Kenya Power. I'm so grateful for this school. Maxwell will go far. Congratulations, parents. Congratulations, kids. Magurende tua manyire gosoma ma. Magurende. This is for Maxwell. Thank you.
The rest, did you say your name?
Yes, I've said my name. They can say for themselves.
My name is Kcpe. I study in the University of Nairobi. I'm her daughter.
My name is Evelyn Kerage. I study in Chuka University, her daughter.
My name is Amy Kerage. I study at Buruburu Girls, currently a Form 4, and I'm her daughter.
See, you clap for this serious family. Yeah? Thank you. In any neighborhood, in any family, there are some people who are like your parents. And I think from where I live, from where we are here, we have some of our parents here, or the parents of Maxwell, the soil. And Mama Agnes, where are you? Mama Mura, where are you? Ratemu, where are you? Where are those? This is like our mama here. In fact, if you look behind there, I was having 2 grandkids here for free. I sponsored them for like 4 years now. But I also, she gave back. It's like giving back to the community. She gave back to the school. She said, guess what, the director? Looks like you might have problems with the fence. Let me just move my fence that way. She said, let me count to 25. She counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 25. She said, put a beacon here. Anna, go upwards because of the good work you are doing. Count 110. I counted 110. Said, now, do this. Fence. And this is your land. This is the land to Maxwell Academy. Mnasema namna gani? So that's why I say she's our mama here, because it's not easy. Land nowadays in Kcpe is gold. So somebody counting legs like that, as we say from the other side, like careless, really like that, like this is land I'm giving you is not easy. But for her, she did it. Simpigie makofi.
Wairu ya minto. Omogoko manene sukuru ya itumagi siwero. Enkonya to mwangu enkonya tabana babere. Nanche nkarambu ya nanche makonya karandia amente machengo. Mbuya mona sana baiboli ba minto.
Tate betibia. Tate betibia na inde. Na ali ese nkarra ko kurua paka bogetutu senera. Kurua paka bogetutu e kabara ake. Ngana guchirugoroga bwa tora naronga nyora nando muga kondeiga nera akamkiria magoro agantebia sukiga akinendo ochondore ngora nkamorora ngoraiga omugakara temo imukango igoro imuka igoro salute abantu amina
waibori wa gocomia wana bakore buya ekera batie nkane gento igagoceka nyota bwatia mwaino gagoceka yeso no muya matukosi tata nyasaye no muya matukosi tare kitano muya pi.
And also I have the ones who are my neighbors, who are like my brothers. Also because I came to their place, they welcomed me. You can rise, Nyangwano. Where are you with the brother? Also, those are the ones I call my brothers here at the Torah. It's a good manners also to recognize them so that ekelongo tukutano libugamba osebono. Yeah, elieta igalio kaya amina.
Oh, mbuya mono director asoto tunyora naitwe gotorangeria gochaga ige skuru yiga abana bane no basomete ga batatu kere arenge secondary emyakeri yo gochaka bono rende enje na bondo ocho biya asich school kiri abana bana basomete ndindi kunyago chieba ya mwali ya minga yakabedogora yiga ne yende nyabigena high school ne yende summit high school no abana barwete lero otore nyomba bakara kwane gesungu gende ge gusirama lakini korumerende bono nabate mbure gesungu ekyo ne kiane lakini omonto okebaete ningo chisukuru kirumwa chiete igorende iyonga teba nga abana mwakorta mademu raundi ye biyamono abayibuli biyamono aso wesema abana koreta abana bakaraki basome igorende abana abalimu abayibuli baba maiga atatu baka muriro koraki muriro soka igorende biyamono timbwete amange erieta nguruka James ogega ibaswiti sitono ara lakini nke muno gega tora mo director koma tomenya terende ari mo ene baiga na baro monto mia nane auto kusaba to kendre ko baigo butambe tunyoro naiga director mbiamo
bigangira libagene nchiko kwani wairire samari attention nyongono baba baswite turari samete nduguye ko batebya ntuge turateba abana makwenda skuru makoro mokya na indi mwiwa abana bande mbarona baro bakorire munene mwakorire makoro mokya mbiyamo na senator mbiyamo na director mbiyamo na abayibuli mwensi pimwa kiraiga go sherekea na ntu twatebe tugurinde twabwa ya tiga tuserekea siniba ya ito director biwakori mbiyamo na sano sugotinyo na mbiyamo.
Thank you. I'll go straight to the chairman, and then the pastor will pray for us, and then we'll give you the way forward from here.
Mwego kirirero. Onye kole no mogoko kwanyo mosani. Onye kole no mogoko kwanyo mosani. Buyamono sana. It's been a high day, and we thank everybody oyolenge involved in planning this. Na baiboli buyamona senge nchiyo gocha. Mwabelera chinsa chintambe. And mwatoiro golemerelia. Na sa yutokwere na lingambu ya mono. For our invited guests, we continue to say thank you, and from the depth of our hearts, we'll continue to work with you in every capacity that we can to elevate Maxwell to the next level. Why? Because our future generation depends on it, and the better we do at Maxwell, the better community we'll have as Kenya. For that, we continue to say thank you for the teachers, for the media team, AGR on special recognition. Thank you so much for being here and streaming so that the diaspora team can be able to watch live the events which are taking place here on the ground. And for that, we continue to say thanks. Thank you so much. May God bless you.
Sorry, I've been reminded that the teachers for class 8, your envelopes were ready, that I sent you back. Run this way. Class 8 teachers, please. Run. The ones who had, the 4 teachers for class 8. Come this way. Yeah. So where the envelopes, the parents, the ones which I'm told that I was a little late. Come this way quick. We are tired, huh? And we don't want to take a lot of time. Madam, come this way. For those who are coming to reward them, I don't want to close. Meanwhile, they are coming that way. When we finish from here, please, I would like the teachers to go there in that tent, make sure that they are seated there. As I'm speaking, teachers should be there. Make sure that they are seated the way they are. They should never move. If they are moving, they should move going this way. These people there who are standing, they should never move. If they are moving, they have to move towards the gate. The people we are going to start with, they are going to start from here. This one's here. We go this way. We finish. We come here. Then we go this side. And then we go to 30 tent. So the teachers, please make sure that they don't move from there. And those ones behind here, make sure. Where's Eric? Eric Evans. Yeah, make sure that they stay where they are. We need to have an orderly fashion of this so that we can do it so fast. Because we have so many people who are serving there. So, yeah. So, yeah, you can go with your envelopes. Give the envelopes. Yeah. Make sure that when we start from here, and Mr. Otund also has given a reward of 3,000 for class 8, so we are going to look at that one. I think we are all done. If there's anything else, it will come later. They will see you, so you can sit down. All right.
Okay, listen. Our Lord, your greatness is seen in all the world. Your praises reaches up to the heaven. We want to thank God for what has done to us. Nataka niwashukuru wote wale ambao mmefika hapa. Wacha tuombe. Our Father, our loving God, we thank you and we love you. Thank you for the day. Thank you for this, for our school, Maxwell. Guide our parents, guide our guests, guide everything in this school. Guide our director and teachers. We believe, God, when we surrender ourselves to you, you are ready to answer our prayer. Now and forever, you will be with us, and you will be with this school. In the name of Jesus we pray. Mungu awabariki.
So please, as we said, from here, we have made you an highway. So the front, just go.